na, magdangon. Listen up, listen. So, today I'm going to evaluate the limit of the given. So, number 1, limit of 2 is raised to 3x plus 4 as x approaches to negative 1. So, ang gagawin dito is papalitan na yung value ng lahat ng x sa given ng negative 1. Since yun yung since x is approaches to negative 1. So, ang magiging equation na is f of negative 1 equals 2e raised to 3 times negative 1 plus 4. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. So, negative 3 plus 4 is magiging 1. So, ang naging equation na is 2e raised to 1. But ang 1 is, ang exponent ay 1, just the same of the years. So, 2e pa rin. And kapag kinuha niyo yung value ng 2e, magiging 5.4365. Yun lang, number 1. So, number 7, ang given is limit of 3 times 1/2 raised to x minus 3 as x approaches to negative 6. So, ganun lang din ang gagawin sa number 7, kung ano ginawa sa 1. Papalitan lang ng value ng negative 6 yung mga x sa given. Ang equation na is f of negative 6 equals 3 times 1/2 raised to negative 6 plus 3. Negative 6 plus 3 is negative 3. And since ang exponent niya is negative, so kukunin natin yung reciprocal ng 1/2, which is 2 over 1, and same lang yung maging 2. So, ang naging equation na is 3 times 2 raised to 3, or 2 cube. Ang 2 cube is 8, so 3 times 8 is 24.